Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to remove and replace a comfort access handle on a late model BMW. In this video we'll also disassemble the handle so you can reuse the original light and outer shell. Our journey begins with this plug, which you can remove with your fingers, no special tools needed. Here's a closer look at what that plug looks like, just set it aside. Next we will need a T15, and there's one screw in the door handle. It's a captive screw, so don't worry about losing it inside the door. Just loosen that until you can pull the handle out. Here's a better angle to show how the handle slides out. Next, we'll need to disconnect these two plugs. You'll just need a small flathead screwdriver or pick tool. And here's our handle. Now we're ready to go. To save money, I went with an aftermarket option that I found on eBay. You can find plenty of examples starting around 45 bucks and up. A message from our sponsors. Now let's take apart the handle. First, we'll need to break this plastic weld that's holding the larger plug in place. That's the plug that actually controls the comfort access handle itself. Once that weld is broken, you'll be able to slide this plug out. Now to do so, you just want to put force right where my finger is and slide it away. Just a note, you do not want to twist it because there are grooves in the plug, so you don't want this motion. You just want to slide it straight out, and it'll come free once you break that little plastic weld there. The other plug is for the light portion of the handle, which we can separate. I decided to reuse mine since it was in good working order, and the aftermarket light was not the same color as the original BMW lights, and I didn't like the way that looked. Next, we'll need to remove this rubber gasket that goes in between the door and the handle. It's pretty soft. You can just slide it up and over the plugs. If yours is stuck, just make sure that these little tabs have come loose from the corresponding holes in the handle itself. Next, we'll pop out this small retaining clip and set that aside. At this point, we can fully remove the light from the handle and set that aside. And again, I decided to reuse mine on the new handle to make sure that the light was the same on all four doors. Next, we'll slide this plug out and pull it down so that we can access this small screw here. This little guy is a T7. I actually had to go pick up a specialty tool to remove that. And here's a look at that screw. The shell is held onto the handle by a series of pressure clips down the side and 4 prongs down at the bottom. So we're going to start at the opposite end and gently pry these two parts apart. Once we get started, the handle will just pop off, like so. Disassembling the handle lets you reuse the original shell to color match, and in my case, I was also able to reuse the original light. This lets me quickly and easily get a working handle back on the car until I have time to spray the inside. And it's that easy, you're back in business.